Hello students, welcome to MGC Learning. Today we are going to study chapter 3 of Computer Science 2, that is Introduction to Intel x86 family. And the topic is Advanced Features of x86 family and Attributes of 8086 microprocessor. So let's begin. So in this session we are going to study advanced features of x86 family, list of some advanced microprocessor of Intel x86 family, and attributes of 8086 microprocessor. So, advanced features of x86 family. Before going to study features of x86 family, we will see, have a look on, that is a evaluation of microprocessor. That is, the first microprocessor was a 4-bit microprocessor. Then we have a 8-bit microprocessor and 16-bit microprocessor. So when new microprocessor introduced in the market, every time the word length was double. It means word length double means first microprocessor is 4-bit. Then afterwards it will be double as 8-bit microprocessor. Then it will be 16-bit. So word length, it means the maximum number of bits it can be accepted as input and processing and deliver the result as the output. So every time the new microprocessor is introduced, the word length was double, and there was a major change in the architecture of the microprocessor. Next, we have a 32-bit microprocessor. So over from 16-bit to 32-bit, so it will not bring a entirely new architecture. In fact, the architecture was very common. When we are introducing a new microprocessor in the market, so there was a major change in the architecture. When we are moving from 16-bit to 32-bit, so it will not bring the entirely new architecture. In fact, the architecture was a common. Now we will see advanced features of x86 family. The first one is it is capable of performing various computing functions. Computing means the use or operation of the computers. So it can be achieved by the combination of special instructions and special hardware and software. So it performs the computing functions. Actually, the microprocessor controls all the functions of the CPU of your computer or the devices. So the microprocessor function as in brain of the computer. Actually, the entire function of the CPU is controlled by the single IC. So it is capable of performing various computing functions. Next one is it is very powerful computing device. So typically the microprocessor has a or configures general purpose computers. So these microprocessors are also used for the graphic display systems. Next one is it is a coprocessor. The coprocessor is also called as a numeric coprocessor. So numeric coprocessor, it means it has a separate CPU and it performs arithmetic functions such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, divide, and also do trigonometric functions. So the result is faster as compared to the general CPU. So it may be like that the general CPU may be a BCR engaged in the performing some other functions. So the while the coprocessor is working, so it means it is faster than the general CPU. Next one is it needed a sophisticated operating system, and the application software also needed. So typically these are the very complex system. So one of the common applications for advanced microprocessor is with multi-user or multitasking operating system. A multi-user operating system allows more than one user to use CPU at a time. In multitasking operating system, more than one task use CPU at a time. For this, we require a sophisticated operating system. So it means it will be switches between the microprocessor and the software. So that purpose we are needed a sophisticated operating system and the application software. Next one is virtual memory. So advanced microprocessor also suppose a virtual memory. So it is a one type of technique for storing the large volume of data. So it means virtual memory is techniques are used by the programmer. So it means the additional memory which is on the disk can be made to look as if it is in the main memory. There is a concept of virtual memory. Next one is it includes special instructions and internal hardware which allow a programmer to write software without knowing how much memory is available. It means it also considers special instruction and internal hardware and software also is there. So what it is that it means how much memory is available. So it will not known to the that is it will not known to the programmer. So what the program is doing without knowing how much memory is available, the programmer to write the software. There is a concept of using special instructions and internal hardware. So in the advanced microprocessor also work for a special privilege mode. Special privilege mode, it means when the microprocessor is operated in this special privilege mode, so it may have access to number of special instructions and additional instructions and other features. So these are the things can be achieved by using the privilege mode. So this is the one type of mode. In this mode, the microprocessor can access a number of special instructions and additional register and also other features. And the advanced microprocessors also support data production technique. Production technique, it means it is to use to keep two users for two tasks from accessing the same data or same time at the same data at the same time. It means it also support two users or two tasks from accessing the same data at the same time. That can be achieved by the data production technique. So this is the advanced features of x86 microprocessor. So this is a list of some advanced microprocessor of Intel x86 family. The first one is A086, second one A0286, A0386, A0486, and Pentium. Now we will see this one by one. Now we will see attributes of 8086 microprocessor. Before going to start the 8086 microprocessors, now we have a look on the 8085 microprocessor because there is an enhanced version of 8085 microprocessor. Actually, 8085 microprocessor is a 8-bit microprocessor and it is an improvement version. That is, it is an improvement version of 8085. That is a 8086 microprocessor. So the first one is it is the introduction date is 1978. Actually, the microprocessor was introduced by the Intel in 1978. Intel is a one of the Intel it means in Intel is a one of the American multinational company that was introduced by the 8086 microprocessor. So it was followed by the 8088 within few months. It means after coming to this 8086 microprocessor in the market, then after few months, 8088 microprocessor was introduced. So there is a difference between 8088 and 8086. It was that there is a size of the external data bus. So there is a difference between the external data bus. 8088 microprocessor support 8-bit external data bus and 8086 support 16-bit external data bus. So the second one is it support data bus that is of 16 bits. So data bus we are already seen in the previous video, so it supports 16 bits. Next one is address bits. So address bits of 20 bits. So it supports 20 base address lines. So with the using of this data bus and address bus, so we can have address of physical memory, that is 1 M byte memory locations. So physical memory address will be 1 M byte memory locations. Next one is the operating speed. That is 5, 8 and 10. So operating speed which means it is available in three versions. That is 5 megahertz, 8 megahertz and 10 megahertz. The first 8086 support 5 megahertz and 8086 to support 8 megahertz and 8086 more support 10 megahertz. Next, it also supports the Mac processor. Mac processor is also called as a numeric co-processor. It was the first Mac processor was developed by the Intel. So once the instructions are identified by the 8086 microprocessor, then it is allocated to the external 8087 Mac processor. That is a co-processor. And memory management unit, that is the external unit it consists of. So it consists of segment register, instruction queue and instruction pointer. So these are the external units available in the memory management. internal data word size, that is of 16 bits. So it means internal word data size, that is of 16 bits. It means it can work with 16 binary bits at a time. So this is a features of A8086 microprocessor. So actually the microprocessor is a 16-bit microprocessor. It has 16-bit arithmetical logical unit, and it has a 16-bit register and internal data bus. So in this video we have seen, and that is advanced features of x86 family. Then second one is list of the sum of the Intel x86 family. The last one is attributes of 8086 family. So 8086, in this Intel x86 family, the first version, that is the first one microprocessor, is a 8086 microprocessor. Thank you.